Okay, Mrs. Yoder's class, Tortoise and the Hare.
Once there was a tortoise and a hare. The tortoise was slow and careful. The hare did everything fast. He loved to brag about his speed.
I am so fast, I have never been beaten in a race. There isn't anyone who can beat me. In fact, no one is brave enough to try.
I'm brave enough. I will race you.
You? That is a fine joke. I could run circles around you and still win the race.
You should save your bragging until you've won.
Let's race then.
The tortoise and the hare agreed to race through the woods. All the animals lined up to watch.
Quiet, quiet. Time to start the race. You know the rules. The first one to cross the finish line is the winner. Tortoise, are you ready?
I'm ready.
Hare, are you ready? Of course, this will be a quick race. On your marks, get set, go!
The tortoise got off to a steady start. The hare left a trail of dust as he raced off down the path. Oh dear, look at the hare go. I shouldn't have been so brave. But there's no going back, only forward. The tortoise plodded on hardly lifting his head to look down the path. Meanwhile, the hare stopped to look back at the tortoise. He waited and waited, but did not see him.
This is too boring. I think I'll take a nap. The tortoise won't be along for hours.
The tortoise plodded on. The hare slept on. Finally, the tortoise neared the finish line. His animal friends began to cheer.
What is all that noise? It must be time to finish the race.
But it was too late for the hare. The tortoise crossed the finish line just as the hare came around the last turn. As the animals cheered, the tortoise had only one thing to say to the hare.
Slow and steady wins the race. Slow and steady wins the race. Slow and steady wins the race. Slow and steady wins the race.
All right, very nice. Yeah, okay. Come on around, you guys. Really good. Thank you. Come on around. Walk around with your puppets, please. Come on out. Come on around and come down in the light. Okay, Brianna, come all the way down. There you go. Brianna, stop. Come back in the light so we can see you, okay? All right, you four fit in there really good. And we have 4 people here. Brianna, you go first. Tell us your name and tell us who your puppet was, okay? Brianna, move over in the light, please. There you go.
My name's Brianna. I was the one that started and ended the race.
Okay, next.
My name's Natalia, and I was the hare.
My name is Aria, and I was the tortoise. My name is Admire, and I was the narrator.
All right, let's give them another round of applause. Very good. All right. Now, I really liked a lot of things that I heard on your show, okay? So we're going to see if there's any questions. First graders, Mrs. Stevenson's room. A question is something you want to find out. It's a question, not a statement, okay? Brianna, would you point to somebody and they can ask you a question? Go ahead. Brianna, point to somebody, please. Okay?
Why did you pick the toy from the hair? I picked the wrong one by mistake, but
No. Did you pick the story?
no.
Who picked it? Miss Cole told you which group you were in, right. The one thing we do pick is we have the scripts ready and they do one of these stories, okay? So the only thing they didn't do was write the script. It's originally from the fairy tale. So Miss Cole told you which one to do, right, Brianna?
Yeah.
Yeah, because they were building their puppets in art class, okay? All right, good job. Next one. Next person. Pick somebody.
Elliot. Why did you pick the horse? Well, I thought it would be cool to be the hare.
Were you right? Did you like it?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Morgan.
How do you make them?
We took a sock and then we cut them out with cardstock and glued on rocks
Glue it on how?
with hot glue.
How do you want to tell stories of the hair?
It's not a story about the hair. It's about the tortoise and the hare.
And it's really a story about taking your time and doing something well and doing a good job, isn't it? Not always being in a hurry. You ever heard that from your teachers, guys?
No.
Uh-huh. Not hurrying through your work? Okay. Now, I have a question for all four of you. Anybody can answer it. What was the hardest part about doing the puppet show through everything? Yes?
Not getting burned.
Not getting burned by the hot glue gun, okay? Anybody else have something that was hard? Brianna?
Making my puppet.
Hard to make the puppet. Okay, Miss Yoder has a question.
Was that you, Natalia, that had the Australian accent?
Yeah,
You did a very good
had
job.
that too.
Yeah, it made it more interesting when that voice was so different,
I
didn't
really
it?
liked that.
Yeah, can you sit down, please? Sit down, thank you. Okay, you have a question? Go ahead.
Me.
Mhm.
How did you guys know how to pick persons?
Well, we did a vote.
Was that hard?
No.
Some of the groups argued about some things, but some didn't. What was the most fun part of doing the puppet shows? Okay, go ahead, either one of you, go ahead.
Well, the fun part was like gluing on all the materials you wanted on them. It was fun to add different things.
Okay. Miss Cole had a great big box of all kinds of fun things, didn't she? How about you? Were you going to say the same thing?
I was going to say watching it all come together.
Right. I think to me that's the most fun thing when I see it all come together. When we put that set up there and they see how good it looks and then we hear their voices. You guys did a great job. I'm going to stop the recording. Let's give them one more.